So I'm going to be showing you how to flash your Zumi board in case if, I don't know, you get a new board and you want to flash it with the original firmware. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need this file. It's called Zumi_firmware_1.0. Okay, so you can get this downloaded probably from our site, or it's going to be a link on our description on our YouTube video. Okay, the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need these two libraries right here. I'm going to show you how to get them. Okay, so you're going to go to Tools. You're going to go to, whoops, actually I think it's Include Library. Yeah, we're going to go to Include Library. We're going to go to Manage Libraries. That's going to open up the library editor. You're going to install this one right here. Click Install. Next, we're going to install the GFX. It's going to be this one right here. You're going to hit Install, and you're done with the libraries. Now to verify, you're going to click on Verify, which is a check mark. We're going to verify that our code will work. Okay, so now that we verified that our code can compile, we're going to actually upload it. Now I'm going to connect my Zumi board. You just heard it, just connected right now. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go to Tools. You have to choose Arduino Uno, okay? And right now COM8 just appeared. And if you don't know which COM port it is, just disconnect your Zumi board, check the ports, and then reconnect it, and then you'll be able to see which one. Okay, so I'm going to select COM8, and now I'm going to hit Verify, or Upload, sorry. And it's done uploading. And that's it.